how to delete a color from the library in Figma. So as you can see, I have multiple objects here with different colors. So if I create another object here on the side and I want to give it a fill, it's very easy to do, and I have all the colors I've used so far down here. So it's very easy to just select one of the colors, like this red for example. But maybe it's not in your color scheme, or you have created a different color scheme and it doesn't work well with the others, so you just want this one gone. And the way to do this, you can just go to select all the objects with the same fill color and just change it all together from here. As you can see, if we go back, this color is now changed. Or you can just remove all the objects with the same fill color. That way, if you go back to another object and you want to change the fill color, as you can see, the red is now gone. It's not in our library down here. So that's a quick and easy way to delete a color from the library in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.